अम्मा अम्मा मंच अडेला तू कितला अडेला गो. What's up guys, I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, just remembered guys, I should have done this a long time back, but a quick shout out to Satvik Pandey for talking such nice words about me. And also a lot of his subscribers came and subscribed to me, like literally like 6,000 of them. So welcome to you guys, and I hope that I won't disappoint you, and I'll make sure that you enjoy everything that is being posted and you'll get to learn something new. So thanks Satvik, and thanks to all the new subscribers that came here when I was not here, right? So anyway guys, this is a full day of eating video. I've changed a lot of things from the conventional bodybuilding style of cutting. I don't do that anymore. I've lost like almost 5.5 kgs. By the way, I weigh 113.5 kgs this morning. Now before you say, bro, 2 years back you are 115, we will be talking more about what happened and everything in another video. This is just for me to show you guys what I've been up to in terms of my diet, not workout, just the diet. So after I wake up, I'll have 1 cup of green tea. Today I started adding honey, 1 teaspoon of honey, not because it helps you burn fat or anything. It's just that there was honey in my house, so I just added it because there are a lot of benefits to fresh, natural honey. And green tea, of course, is green tea, great for your overall health. And after that, what I do is, after I wake up, I'll try to do 2000 steps inside my house, just walk around here and there, do the basic stuff and everything. And 1 hour before the gym, it's 1:30 now, I'll probably go at 2 or 2:30. I'm going to have this meal. So that is what I've been doing recently. I work out in the afternoon, so I have 1 banana and 1 kiwi and 2 scoops of whey protein. So I mix raw whey protein and chocolate whey protein so that it's not too sweet, and also you can save some money if you mix like that. Like I take like 3 scoops of whey protein, so for me getting like 200 or something protein, it's kind of hard. So that's why I'm doing that, and that's my pre-workout, like good protein, good carbs. That's it guys, I'll see you in the gym, or maybe not, but yeah, that is what I wanted to start this video with, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. So I won't be sharing the whole routine in this video today, but you can find my routine on my Instagram. Go to Shreyas Kamath Fit, that's my username, and then firstly follow me, okay, and then go to my profile, and in this section of highlights you can click on my workouts, and here you'll find my daily workouts that I've been posting since the past 5 weeks. No modifications, exactly the same workout that I've been doing, and I've also posted the workout that I did in this video. Okay guys, so we were supposed to go to the gym a little bit early at around 3, and we went at 4. Anyways, got the chest, shoulder and tricep workout done. Now it's time for the post workout, which is my favorite meal of the day because I'm usually starving. And this is what I have: around 340 grams of sweet potatoes, which is great, lot of great carbs and a little bit of fiber as well. Then I have broccoli. If you see my full day of eating videos from the past, broccoli was not a huge part of it, but now I try to eat broccoli every day. Multiple benefits of broccoli guys, and there's a little bit of cauliflower as well. It's like they are like cousins or brothers or something, very similar in texture, but both really good. And then I have around 400 grams of chicken, but with bone. So this chicken is like literally not injected with any antibiotics or anything like that. It's a little bit expensive, but I'm just trying it out to see if it tastes better. I don't know if it is actually true, but they say this is like a free range and not fed with anything, only fed good food and all that. So I'm just going to try this out. But this is my post workout meal guys, and let me tell you, I like to take post workout or the meal after workout should always be a good meal, especially for me. Now I don't like taking shakes after workout or anything like that. I just like to have a solid meal. But before workout I like to have protein shakes. Why, you ask? The answer is simple. I believe that having light stomach before your workout is much better than having solid food. But if you want to have solid food, take the solid meal like 2 hours before the workout. Don't take it close to the workout. Alright guys, so it's around 8:30 p.m. I'm not that hungry as I used to get because like I said, I've been doing my diet in a way where I stay full for a long period of time. My appetite is good, so I'm not like too hungry, or I'm never feeling hungry. So I feel hungry at the right times, right? So I'll be going for a walk downstairs in my apartment, like rounds, like as many as possible for around 30 to 40 minutes. Usually I do around 7 or 8, so one round is like 350 meters. So before I do that, I'll be showing you guys what I have. So the walking will be at around 10:15, so around 1.5 hours from now. So one scoop of raw whey. Zomato, I don't know why you stopped producing raw whey protein. I would have just kept on ordering it if you manufactured it. So one scoop of that, 25 grams of protein, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, which is one serving, and this is what 187 calories, 10 grams of protein, 10 grams of carbs, which is not that bad, and 11 grams of fat in this, right? So this is which one, Pintola. So I have a couple of different brands using this and a different brand. It's pretty good, guys. It's just peanut butter. You can even make it at your own house. And one of my favorite fruits, which would be apple. So this is like 140 grams. Again, you might tell me that remove the peel it or remove the skin or whatever, but I don't care, guys. I'm eating this as well. So guys, did like a 30-minute walk, 2.5 kilometers or something like that. Pretty exhausted, but yeah, keeping the heart rate around 120 or so, and I'm able to talk to you right now, right? That is the pace, that is called steady state. Okay, so that is that. I'll show you guys my final meal. Whew, it's pretty chill outside, but yeah, I'm still tired. Guys, so final meal of the day. Chicken was frozen, mutton was frozen, so I was like, what do I do? What have I not eaten today? Then it popped up in my head, let's go old school, right? So what I did is choose one of the best sources of protein available out there. Also guys, I eat 2 servings of vegetable every day and 1 serving of fruit every day, and you should too. And we have 3 whole eggs and 12 egg whites with some Himalayan pink salt, because my doctor told me to have that, and also some piri piri powder. Yes, piri piri powder. And also guys, 2 pills of omega-3 fish oil, link in description, not an ad. I'm using this 2 pills a day, 200 capsules, very cost effective, and looks like a good brand as well. So again, fish oil and whey protein, those are the 2 supplements that I'm using. And also I had vitamin D deficiency, so I'm taking 60,000 of IUs of vitamin D once a week for 6 weeks, and my 6 weeks are done. So when I started working out, I did a blood test and it was horrible. So this is my final meal, guys. 3 whole eggs. It's okay to eat 3 whole eggs, don't worry guys. My cholesterol is high, but not very high. It was very high, but now I brought it down. But still, 3 whole eggs is fine. When you see my overall diet, 3 whole eggs, it won't hurt you, but more than that I think it's not necessary. So that's pretty much it. Okay guys, so I hope you all like this video. Now one thing that I want to add is, a lot of people message me, and I'm pretty sure you message other people, or even you receive this question saying, bro, what is the best diet to lose fat? Now a lot of people, when they make full day of eating videos, they make it very, like posh and all that. Like, I don't do that, guys. I just show what I eat. Okay, so everything that I ate today, 90% of that I ate yesterday, and then I'll be eating similar things tomorrow. Maybe instead of chicken, I'll be eating mutton, right? So I'm also tracking calories. It takes 5 minutes in a day, right? Yes. So you might ask, Shrey, so why didn't you do this for the last 2 years? For the last 2 years, the situation over here was different. Okay, over here, if it wanted to move, it would have moved, but over here it was different, right? So if you are in the right state of mind, motivated, then at least do all things correctly. That is all I'm saying, guys. So if you are a person who weighs 80 kgs, okay, or even 90 kgs, or even 100 kgs, or even 110 kgs, if you eat exactly from meal 1 to meal 4, if you eat exactly the way I eat, you are going to lose weight. You don't need to go in search of people, message people, wait for their reply. No, guys. Free content is here, and you can just eat exactly the way I ate. Instead of eating that much of protein, just reduce the protein and maybe eat maybe an extra banana. So that is what I'm trying to tell you, guys. It's not that hard. The reason I train people is completely different. Some people require assistance because they're very busy, they are not interested in going to YouTube, going to Instagram. But if you are watching this video, it means you have time to watch a video. So take some information and apply it. Even after that, if you're struggling, then yes, contact me. What a subtle way to promote my website, right? So all I'm trying to say is, if you let's say if you don't want to put any work in doing your research, okay, it's fine. At least eat exactly what I ate. If you can't afford that, replace kiwi with something else, replace apple with something else. So that's what I'm trying to tell you, guys. It's not that hard, and you can see I did 12,000 steps today, or more than that, I don't know. So move more and eat little bit less, but make sure you eat nutritious food. Another thing you might see from my current full day of eating compared to the old full day of eating is I am not eating a lot of processed food. I'm not getting food from outside. I'm not getting even salads from outside. I'm trying to cook my own food, eat homemade food. That is another tip. So anyway, guys, we'll be talking more about all these things. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. We are close to 100,000. Share it with your friends. Tell your friends about my channel, and let's reach 100k, and I'll be grateful for that, guys. So thanks a lot. It's time to sleep, and I'll see you guys soon. Train hard, stay fit, goodbye. That's what I used to say. Peace, guys.